O panlasa Pinoy Canada version. Ano po niluluto natin?
Kuratsoy, ang manok na may gata.
Wow! Ginataang manok? Ayan na guys, yung mama ko. Anong binibake po natin ngayon, ma?
Ito ay cassava cake.
Good morning!
Mayong buntag sa tanon!
Bisaya speaking family. Good morning guys, it's the first day here in Guelph. Fabio and I are gonna have coffee right now.
I'm so noisy. Correct? Nana akong kuwan. Tanawa akong kuwan.
It's just lang. Wow!
Be delivered.
Sa dama? Sa tama? Sa iya nama?
Deliver. Ipamunta akong product, doy.
Sige.
Oh my God!
What can you tell of my mom's
Is it
cake?
worth?
She's been baking since the Philippines.
In
This
the
is her
Philippines
business.
too.
If you're in Canada, Toronto, Guelph, comment down below or slide me a DM. Order one of my mom's cake.
Okay.
There we go.
And
She
also
bakes a lot of
this
cake.
one, beautiful day.
Oh, she bakes some Filipino macaroons too. Coconut
Yeah.
macaroons. Ito ang mama ko. Parang naghayang-hayang lang. Naghayang-hayang lang sa couch. This is my mom's business every single Christmas.
Yeah. So
We'll give him a good view.
Sorry.
Hey guys. Guys, we have the coffee. We have the French press. We don't have our coffee machine like in Toronto.
Go for it. Press it.
The coffee machine in Toronto, that was my mom and dad's gift from their friend. I stole it, so I brought it to Toronto.
Really?
Yeah.
I didn't know the backstory.
So now they only have this coffee. They don't even drink this. They only drink 3-in-1. I'm not sure how strong this is. Guys, this is our breakfast for today. My mom's chocolate cake. She baked it last night. It's fresh. That's all we're gonna eat. It's diet. So this is Fabio's first time spending Christmas in my house.
That's true.
What, Fabio? Fabio?
Am I flying there?
Yeah. Ang ingay ng bahay namin. Pilipinong-Pilipino talaga, no? What do you think? What do you think of my mom's desserts?
They're so good. Look, guys. I'm dipping it in coffee.
Fabio asked me why I can't learn to make it.
24. Usually 24 is our delivery day. Somebody or many would come and knock, and then you still have cake. Yeah, just bake one. I'll take that. Oh, okay. I don't have even one left. I said, Mama, where's our cake? I said, no, I have to take this. I said, no, we want the cake.
English very good. Oh my God, Mom! You have so many Montano sardines.
You want some?
Oh my God! Wow!
You know when you brought them, we ate them every evening with rice.
Yeah, you can open.
O panlasa Pinoy Canada version. Ano po niluluto natin?
Kuratsoy, ang manok na may gata.
Wow! Ginataang manok? Ayan na guys, yung mama ko. Anong binibake po natin ngayon, ma?
Ito ay cassava cake.
Cassava cake.
Yeah. Kaso lang wala tayong fresh na cassava. Kaya frozen. Frozen lang ang ginagamit ko.
So kung meron mag-order, ma?
Oo, pwede mag-order.
Kung meron mag-order sa Toronto, daghan ba kong viewers Toronto?
Yeah, pwede. Pwede sa Toronto.
Pwede sa Toronto.
Oo. Pero pick upin mo, ikaw ang mag-deliver.
No thanks.
No thanks.
Ayan na. Ano po yan, ma?
Cassava.
Cassava cake. Lunchtime! Ano pong handa natin? Ito na
Ito
po.
ginataan na manok.
Come, babe.
Ginataan.
So, babe, this is ginataang manok.
At saka damay.
It's coconut milk.
You go on the broken. You go on.
Diri ka kay ano matuwag ka tumbling bitaw ka. Gusto mo kam tumbling.
Ito tumbling. Sige mo maglalos pa.
Ay, wala lang. For fun. Just for fun.
Ginataang manok. What do you think of the ginataang manok, Fabio?
Perfect. Perfect.
Mukbang! Let's do mukbang! I'm gonna break it.
My friend from Philippines yesterday asked me, "Are you in Manila? Why are you at Jollibee?"
Jacket, come on.
I don't know. No.
Oh, inside.
Inside, yeah. Yani made frozen turkey. It was so good.
Now
He bought it already made.
How big is it?
There is a turkey that's already stuffed.
Yeah, yeah. It's
already-
yeah.
It's
But a small one, right?
No.
No.
It's like
16
big.
How many
pounds.
hours?
This.
6 hours.
So only the two of you.
Hey guys, we're just out right now. We are going Christmas shopping or just going out to the mall and stuff in Guelph. So first stop is Best Buy because Fabio wants to buy a new iPhone. I don't give up. Let's go. Fabio, what are you looking at? What do you want to buy?
The iPhones were there, but they're out of stock. But anyways, they're with a plan. Hey guys, so we're here at Best Buy, so we Best Buy. We checked out the iPhones, but actually they don't have any left. And Yani was checking some cameras because he wants to upgrade. And I told him to be real because we have already more than enough gadgets for cameras. Maybe we should get a drone. Yanni's trying to find a way to spend money.
I'm not. I'm trying to save.
Making excuses. But guess what? I'm here to hold him back. I'm not gonna allow him to do that. So now he decided, because he couldn't find a camera, he couldn't find a phone, he couldn't find gadgets. So now he decided that he wants headphones. Boy.
I want headphones actually though.
Look how pretty you are, guys. So there you have it, guys. This is the headphones he's gonna get. Only $26.
Guys, Fabio told me to buy this as my headphones.
At least it's reasonable price. I think it's still too expensive, $26. It should be $5 max. I'm gonna test it out.
Fabio's gonna test it out if it's gonna fit in it. Go. No, stupid. Why is it so big? What's underneath here? Oh my god. Here. Eto na naman tayo. Makakasira na naman tayo. We're gonna break something again in this store.
Plants.
Wait, are these robot plants? What are these?
Click and grow.
Is it the one that the machine that grows plants? Oh dear, see Smart Garden. I don't know where it is. It's not displaying.
Oh my god. It's also, and this the meditation thing, they created a big board on the wall and they grew their own things.
I love the choreography that you did. I just love the choreography. Guys, we've been driving around the parking lot at the mall. It's so busy. There's a lot of people last minute Christmas shopping.
I hope some fans are here.
I don't think we have some viewers in Guelph, or do we? There's a lot of people parking. Like when people are leaving, there are people waiting for the parking lot. I know, it's so busy. Go to that side. What about that side?
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
Oh my god, we're still in the parking lot.
3 days.
3 days later.
You should.
Finally, there's parking! Yes! Let's get out of here quick. Lock the car.
Wow, Yani, you match with the car. Wow, you match with the car. B-roll.
B-roll.
Oh shit,
Fabio!
You moved towards me. I was here.
This lens.
Sorry.
He bumped me in my head.
Yanni's shy, so I'm not trying to attract the attention of people on him. See, people were like, are they vlogging?
Guys, we just met somebody who subscribed to our channel instantly.
There you go.
What's your name?
My name is Mattea. Subscribe to Yani and Fabio. 103K, soon to hit 1 million. Don't worry.
Thank you.
Thank you for subscribing.
How much is it?
You guys vlogging here? Hey, what's up?
Hey guys, my entire family is here.
What's happening? Where are we going?
Hey guys, we're down here at the mall.
We're going downtown.
And now we're going downtown to get a quick photo shoot and some coffee and some relaxation.
Hey guys, we just finished taking B-rolls and pictures inside with the Christmas lights.
Very cute, very cute.
Very
actually.
cute. Now we're on our way to the coffee shop to have some coffee, work a little, upload some pictures, videos, and that's it.
Yes. We're gonna be a bit on social media to reply to all of you guys.
Yes.
Trying our best.
Yes.
I promise next year, this is one of my New Year's resolution, I'm gonna spend a little bit more time replying to your comments.
Yes. Hey guys, we're at the coffee shop now. I just finished my coffee. Now I'm working. I didn't know that this restaurant or this coffee shop closes early. So now we're gonna walk and look for a different coffee shop to work and do YouTube videos. Maybe we should do nightlife photography?
No.
Because now it's darker. So we changed our mind. Fabio wants to go to have some fries and beer. So that's where we're going. Wow, Mama! Ano na naman yan, Mama?
Oh, big cake. Mandarin lagi.
Ma, how many packets of food coloring?
No, this is grated ube.
Grated ube.
Yeah, grated ube. But it's frozen, it's not fresh.
Ginansya na ni? Ginansya na ni? Oh, kung sino gusto mag-order niyan.
Oh, sige, order ha.
Baka naman.
Oh, tikman nyo ang kasapa. Banana, right?
Banana cake?
Ba, paghimo pag-lichipan pa sa...
Only you.
Ano sa ka dun? Wala akong nag-request of singer. I did not request any singer.
Can make
Ano sila mag-kwan? Mag-exchange
this
gift?
world
gabi.
so
Madagana biya kung medyas, mahal.
Tomorrow night.
Dagana kung medyas.
Only you.
Murag maot yun yung resulta ng kikaroon kayo na singer na side.
Asa naman itong spinner? Nipalit ni mo.
Ginawa naman ni. Ano mong ratchet makini?
Wala, dagana na kay kwarto ni Mama Boy.
Hello, cashier.
Wala, dagana na kay kwarto ni Mama Boy.
Only you
Ako nag-hire
can make this world so bright. Gipalitan naman tayo kandila. Asa naman to?
Ti daguti, wala ko kabaw. Asa?
What? Guys, here you go. The next dish or the next dessert that my mom is cooking is
Macaroons! Philippine style.
wow, coconut macaroon.
Philippines!
Miss!
Philippine style. Sige na, pahawa na doon kay magkabuli.